Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we shall see some of the activities or questions and answers of the topic History of Novel. It is from Standard 12 New Syllabus. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see questions and answers or activities of history of novel. First of all, we shall see brainstorming activities. Activity number 1, that is match the columns. So students, you have to match column A with column B. So we shall see the answer directly. A. Murasaki Shikibu. Answer, Tale of Genji. B. Novella means new. C. Don Quixote. Answer, Cervantes. D. Raj Mohan's wife. Answer, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next activity, pick out the odd element from the group. इस एक्टिविटी में आपको क्या करना है कि जो ग्रुप दिया है, कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उन वर्ड्स में ऑड यानी सबसे अलग, समथिंग डिफरेंट, जो डिफरेंट है उसको आपको अंडरलाइन करना है या आंसर में लिखना है. सो हियर 3 ग्रुप्स आर गिवन. सो डायरेक्टली सी द आंसर. आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट ग्रुप, ऑड एलिमेंट, दैट इज Graham Greene. Graham Greene was an English novelist. The other are Indian writers. That is why it is different or odd element. In next group, in group number 2, the words are there: place, period, theme, climate, lifestyle, and the answer, the odd element, is theme, because the others are aspects of the setting. In group number 3, words are theme, plot, character, novella, and odd element is novella, because novella is a novel. The others are the elements of a novel, and novella is a specific novel. Now let's see activity number 3, that is complete the following statements. Here 4 statements are given and you have to complete these sentences or statements. We shall see directly its answer. First one, the 2 types of conflicts that the plot may have. Answer, are internal, that is inside the mind of the character, or external, that is with other characters or entities. Statement number 2, the word picasqueue is originated from. Answer, the Spanish word picasqueue, which means a rock. Third statement, the epistolary novel presents the narrative. Answer, through a series of correspondence or other documents like letters or diary entries. Fourth one, in the 18th century, the middle class could get time for reading and discussing the novel because. Answer, the spread of machines helped them in their work and could provide them with some spare time. Next activity, activity number 4, write short notes on. So here some of the topics are given and we have written here short notes on these topics. Number 1, style of the novel. Answer, the language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of event is known as the style. An author can use extensive vocabulary and difficult phrases, or he may be brief and could write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement of his story. He may use linguistic devices like figures of speech to make the narrative effective. All these factors decide the texture of narration and create an impact on the readers. Now, next topic, and the name of the topic is Stream of Consciousness novel. Answer. The phrase stream of consciousness means the flow of thoughts in the minds of the characters. The phrase was coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology in 1890. In such a novel, incidents in the plot are in the sequence of their occurrence. The novelist narrates them just as they occur in the minds of the characters. Sometimes they do not make sense, but they truthfully represent the thoughts without any censoring or editing. Next topic, novella. Answer. The word novella, which means new, is originated from the Italian word novelle. A novella is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full-length novel and longer than a short stories. It is a well-structured yet short narrative, often satiric or realistic in tone. Novella usually focuses on one incident or issue with one or two main characters and takes place at a single location. Given below are some of the famous novellas in English, and these are: 1. The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. 2. The Tomb of the Screw by Henry James. 3. Billy Budd by Herman Melville. 4th one, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann. 5th, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow. 6th one, Pearl by John Steinbeck. Next topic for note writing, that is Indian tradition of novels. Answer. Indians have also played a major role in writing of English novels. Raj Mohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was the first novel in English written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by a few more novels written by Indian writers. These novels were based on either nationalistic virtues or social issues. Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi and Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth and Upamanyu Chatterjee improved upon the Indian novel in English by adding new features to it. In recent years, Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai and Kiran Nagarkar have come into the limelight. The tradition of Indian English novel has undergone a vital change since its birth and has undoubtedly a very bright future. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Take care. Thank you very much.